Olivia here, with a question. Would you be interested in visiting a place with this name? The topic of a narrative is what it's about. William Least Heat Moon's text, Nameless, Tennessee, is about small towns. But what does Heat Moon think about this small town? What is he trying to tell us in Nameless, Tennessee? The central idea of a nonfiction narrative is the author's message, like a theme of a fiction narrative. Let's take a closer look. What's the central idea of Nameless, Tennessee? To find out, we need to read the text carefully and look for details that seem connected. Then, we'll use this evidence to infer what the central idea is. Heat Moon begins with the fact that Nameless, located in the hills of Tennessee, has a population of only 90 people. He visits Nameless to understand how it got its name, and the setting probably has something to do with that. Then, Heat Moon meets Thurmond and Jenny Watts. Even though Thurmond and Jenny's store has been permanently closed, they welcome Heat Moon, a stranger, inside to talk. "Don't keep him on the stoop in the damp," Jenny says. And now you sense a central idea developing. There's something special about these people and this place. The author gets to know Thurmond and Jenny as he learns about the town's name and history. The Watts explain how the town didn't have a name until a handful of people in the community agreed on Nameless. Jenny defends the name, and the conversation reveals the couple's pride and love for their humble home. The couple's hospitality provides more to like about the people and town. The Watts treat Heat Moon like family, serving him buttermilk pie, playing music on an antique phonograph, and making him a meal on their wood stove. The author calls this one of those moments that stay with you to the grave. Jenny's death book is another example of how the town and the people in it are special. Heat Moon learns that Jenny has created a death book in which she's written down the names of all of the people who have died in the town for the past 20 years. This detail connects back to the town's size, too. Can you imagine making and sharing a similar book for a big city? Jenny cares for and values every individual in Nameless. And now, looking at these details together, we can conclude that the people and place make Nameless a unique treasure, despite its name. Although a town named Nameless may seem unimportant, Heat Moon discovered something to treasure about the people and the place. The examples he gave make me curious to visit Nameless myself. Who's up for a road trip?